Hi guys, welcome to my Tap in Love channel. You have found the tap channel that gives back. By providing free tap lessons online, I'm able to give back in a few ways. To teachers, by providing ideas for virtual lessons during COVID. And to those of you who are stuck at home, by providing you a new skill to learn that's fun and will definitely lift your spirits. And to those who are in dire need across the globe, by donating a portion of all the proceeds earned by this channel to aid organizations. I've been teaching tap across the US for over 30 years now, and on this channel you're going to find a few things. Tap tutorials for the absolute beginner, step breakdowns and choreo for tappers of all levels, behind the scenes vlogs, and all the tips and tools that you're going to need in order to learn how to tap dance. Each and every week I'm going to bring you new videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. And know that by simply hitting the subscribe button, you're not only going to be the first person to know whenever new videos come out, but you will actually be helping me to spread the love to people all across the globe. Currently, I am very proud to be partnering up with Preemptive Love, and I will be adding more aid organizations as the channel grows. Thank you ahead of time for taking the time to subscribe and helping me to share the love. Please make sure you comment below and introduce yourself. I would love to meet you. Let's get tapping.